Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this warm tone eye makeup look, and I'm actually going to use the new Primrose palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I used in my previous video as well. So if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it down in the description bar. That's actually the look that I'm showing right now. It's more of a dramatic cut crease. So if you want to see that tutorial, I'll link it down in the description bar. But in today's video, I'm going to show you this more kind of bit more softer look, even though the shades are quite, I don't want to say dramatic, but they're kind of like very warm tone and not like super light. They're still kind of obvious to see, if you know what I mean, but super warm tone, so perfect for this fall season, and they will make your eyes pop, which is really nice. So this is the palette I was talking about, the newest Anastasia Beverly Hills Primrose palette. Super pretty. I'm gonna start with the color Mango and start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm just gonna blend this all the way in my crease area. I actually had a eye infection the last couple of 3 days, so my previous video I had to film on one eye because I couldn't use the other eye because it was still healing, but finally it's over now, so I can create looks on both eyes again, which is really nice. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is a little bit darker, and I'm first pressing this in the outer V of the eyelid, and then with whatever's left on my brush I'm gonna blend this more towards the crease area, and this is just gonna darken up the whole crease situation and also warm it up even more. I'm just gonna use a bunch of warm tones. I'm also gonna use the color Saddle, which I think is originally meant for like as a blush or a bronzer on deeper skin tone, but if you have lighter skin tone as I have, you can also use this for your eyeshadow, which is really nice. It's a really beautiful warm tone color. I absolutely love it. Then I'm going in with this color Fire, and this is so pigmented. I actually saw on the Instagram from Anastasia that this is a total new formula, and it's super pigmented. I absolutely love it. So yeah, if you have never tried their brand before, or maybe you have but you didn't really like their pigmentation or anything, this palette has a completely different formula, and you can definitely tell with these shimmer shades because these are super intense, and yeah, I really like the whole consistency of it. So now I'm gonna focus on the lower lash line because I did already apply my foundation and everything, so whenever I have already applied that, I like to just directly go like with my eyeshadow on the lower lashes as well. So I use the same kind of color combination as I used in my crease area as well, just blending all these shades that I used in my crease area and now blending this underneath the lower lash line as well. And I'm applying quite a lot underneath the lower lash line because I really wanted to go for kind of like that blown out effect. I really wanted this eye look to be kind of smoky, if that makes sense. So I really wanted it to be everywhere. So now I'm going in with this pencil from Makeup by Mario. It's their soft brown pencil. Super pretty. It just works perfectly with the eyeshadow. It has kind of like the same undertone. And now I also use this eyeshadow using a wet brush. But I probably should have went in with a darker shade in the palette because you cannot really see it. So I just applied a tiny line and I just let it be for what it was. I didn't want it to go in for like I didn't want it to go in with a darker shade as this one. So I was hoping it would show up, but it just looks too much like the shade on the eyelid. So yeah, you can skip that part. It's not like really making a difference. So now I'm gonna curl the lashes, and I'm going in with this mascara from Gucci. I will put the name in the description bar. It's actually one of my favorite mascaras. I absolutely love it. Makes my lashes super long, and the bristle of the mascara, it also really nicely separates the lashes. For today's video, I'm actually not going in with any fake lashes. I just wanted to keep it for what it is, to keep this whole eye look a little bit more on the softer and easier side to recreate. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like it, if you're gonna try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also, in my previous video I did a giveaway, and it will be announced in the description bar of this video. So if you like joined the giveaway in my previous video, make sure to check the description bar. And also, if you want to see another video where I use this palette, check my previous video. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
It was so easy when we met. lovers making bad